Trey, what's Mama got over there? Huh? What's Mama have? She brought home that thing from the hospital that you saw, that little baby. Oh, what is it? Is it Cole? First day back after a meal.
Hey Trey, come here.
Hey Trey. What's Joe Mama got? Is that a baby? Hey little Cole.
Come here, Trey. Come here.
He's shy.
Come here, bub. Come here. Come here, sweet.
What is that? Is that a baby?
Can I have a kiss?
My Mama doesn't even talk to you. Hey Trey. Trey, go see Cole.
Can you come over here and say hi to Mom and Cole? Can you show
You gonna
us
bring him something?
Can you bring us Come here. Come here. Show Mommy what you have. Come here. What is that?
Go show Mama. Look. Look what Mama's got.
Does it go in there? Trey, come here, buddy. He's trying to climb on that. No, don't climb on that, buddy. Come here. Come here and see Mommy.
Let's go see what Mama's got. Hi Mama. Hey Cole.
Come see. Come on. You don't love Mommy anymore? Look. Come on here. Look. It's your little brother. Can you
Hi
see
little
him?
brother.
Oh.
He's looking at you. He hears you.
He opened his eyes. Look. Look, Trey's looking at you. Look.
Hey baby. Is that baby Cole? Yeah, he's okay. Let him touch him. Yeah, it's baby Cole. Hi.
Can you come give Mommy a kiss?